This home we're about to walk through offers a unique blend of elegance and everyday functionality. It's thoughtfully designed and full of great spaces, perfect for modern living. Let's head inside. Thanks for joining me on this walkthrough. If you liked what you saw, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more home tours every week. Don't go just yet. Click the next video and see a house that took me completely by surprise.